Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to withdraw BNB from Binance to Faucetpay. So I have some BNB coins in my Binance account and I am already logged into my Binance account right here. As you can see here, I have $10 worth of BNB. So let's withdraw. Click withdraw right here, and after that select coin. Under the select coin you can choose your coin. I have BNB right now, so I'm going to choose BNB and withdraw to new address. I have to get my address and paste it here, so I will go to my Faucetpay account and click deposit, and then scroll down and find the Binance address and copy it. All you have to do is just click on it to copy it, and then come back to the Binance withdrawal page, then paste your address right here. After that, it has detected the best network for me. Wallet address automatically matched to the corresponding network. Okie dokie. Now the withdrawal amount. Yes, I will be getting all of my amount. And as you can see here, there is a 0.00005 BNB network fee included. It's like 1 cent in USD. So let's click withdraw. BC selected as the transfer network. Few platforms support the BSC network. Please confirm that the receiving platform supports this network. Okay, click confirm. Click continue. Okay, now I have to put two of my verification codes. So let me get my phone verification code. After that, the email code. Now I guess I can click submit. And withdrawal request submitted. Awaiting approval. Your withdrawal request is being reviewed and will take approximately 12 hours. You can view the status of your withdrawal request in the withdrawal history page. Okay, complete. It's processing, and when my funds receive to my Faucetpay account, I will show that. For now, I only have 0.00003 BEP. Okay, 8 confirmations is completed. Alright, now my withdrawal is completely transferred. As you can see here, it's completed. And if we go to my Faucetpay account and refresh it, we can see that I have 0.02 Binance tokens in my Faucetpay account. So that's how you withdraw your Binance BEP tokens from your Binance website wallet to your Faucetpay wallet.